spicy fermented purple carrot juice. A clean canvas is essential. Make sure our jar is squeaky clean and bone dry before we dive into the magic. Let the flavor symphony begin. These vibrant ingredients come together in a dance of taste and aroma. Into the jar it goes, a delicious medley of flavors. But wait, our carrots need a little weightlifting. Covered in a breathable cloth, our concoction is ready to breathe and ferment. The moment of truth. A sip to test the tanginess and spice. A testament to our patience and the wonders of fermentation. And there it is, our flavorful elixir. Ready to chill in the fridge, preserving its unique character. Chilled and ready to savor, or perhaps as a star ingredient in your favorite recipes. The possibilities are endless. Remember, friends, the art of fermentation is a journey. Experiment, taste, and enjoy the fruits of your patience. Cheers to culinary adventure.